Hello, let us talk about how you can be an excellent public speaker. A very good and mind blowing public speaker. How can you be one? Number one point, you have to practice a lot. You have to practice, you have to practice and prepare, be it in front of the mirror, be it in front of the audience, or be it in front of the camera. You have to simply practice and prepare and practice and prepare. This is one thing that will make you the best public speaker. Number two, you have to know the topic really well. You have to have the belief of whatever you are saying. You have to strongly accept or you have to strongly believe. Whatever topic you have chosen to speak on, that should come from within you. If you do not have that, if that is not coming from within you, you will not be able to express from your belly. Your speech should not come from your throat, but it should come from your belly. Yes, and for that to happen, for that to come from here, you have to speak from here. If you want to speak from here, you have to have that kind of conviction on whatever you are saying, and you can be a really effective public speaker. We can have a lot of public speakers, but effective public speakers are very less in number, extremely few in numbers. So you have to be an effective public speaker. You have to be a good public speaker. Next is, you have to be very clear about the why of your public speaking. Why do you want to do public speaking? Who your audiences would be? What is the objective of your public speaking? What do you want to get by being a public speaker? A politician becomes a public speaker because he wants to get the votes or do something. A businessman becomes a speaker because he wants to present well in front of his customers. So what is your why of being a public speaker? Have that extremely clear. Know your audience very well. Know your audience extremely well. Who your audience are, what age group they are in, what is their belief on the topic that you are going to speak on. Know your audience extremely well. The way you know your topic well, you have to know your audience well. Then you do not have to be nervous. Nervousness are of different types. Being nervous is very normal and it happens in different ways. You either speak very fast or you speak very slow, you stammer, you do something or the other that is not normal, is nervousness. Do not bother about it. Do not overthink about it, because if you overthink, you will be more nervous. Being nervous is very normal. Any good speaker, the bestest of the speakers, get nervous at times when some unusual things happen, when some unusual audiences they come in front of, they become nervous, but they are able to manage that nervousness well. They do not let that nervousness get over them. So you have to make sure that you do not get that nervousness get over you, and you will be a good public speaker. Next is, be ready to take a lot of feedbacks. Take a lot of feedback. Note them down. Pat yourself for the positive ones, and do not bother a lot about the negative ones. Have a note of them, work on improving them, but do not bother a lot about them, because if you do that, you will never be able to go to the stage next time. So pat yourself for the positive ones, what you did good, and have a note of the negative ones and work on improving them slowly over a period of time. Then you have to start showing up. You have to decide for yourself that you have to show up every single day. You have to speak whenever you get the opportunity. You cannot choose to not speak given an opportunity. You have to show up as many times as possible, because again, public speaking is a skill which you have to learn and which will require a minimum number of times that you need to speak to have that kind of confidence, to gain that kind of attitude, to be a good public speaker, to be an effective public speaker. So you have to make sure that you are showing up at every given opportunity. Every single time you are showing up and you are not pulling yourself back to not speak given an opportunity. So make sure that you show up enough number of times, and only that will help you in being an excellent public speaker. And once again, you have to practice, prepare, and practice and prepare, and be a good public speaker. Wish you all the best from me, Savan Kumar, to be a good public speaker. And if you have any questions, any queries, do ask me in the comments below, and like and subscribe my channel to get consistent future updates on the videos that I have for you. Have a great day and a wonderful day.